Okay, so here is a very nice, expensive Sony cassette deck, and it has no line fuse in it for overcurrent protection. So take a look at it and see if you see any fuse or any overcurrent protection.
Nope, it comes right out of the cord and goes to the switch and then into the transformer. No fuse at all.
And we are going to put one in.
And we're going to put one in, yep.
Okay, it's going.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to show them the house fuse and the reason we put the fuse?
Yes, yep. This is the fuse in that old house, and this is a circuit breaker in like a newer style house or a new wiring. And this is the fuse that we put in the Sony, which is a little tiny filament. If anything in the cassette deck shorts out, it can start burning the transformer, getting real hot, or melting the wires or the cord, and that could cause a fire. So we put the fuse in there to prevent the fire from happening. And UL should require this fuse in these units, but they don't have them.
And it's a very basic fire safety.
Basic fire safety prevention for it. I don't mean to be yawning, but I'm so friggin' tired. I'm yawning? Yeah.
Okay.
Gotta bear me yawning, people, because I'm tired.
Okay, so you want to hand me a fuse block up there? Don't shut in there?
Yeah. Okay. Let me take the thing off that air.
Yeah,
they're off and stuff.
So you agree that UL should require them?
Yes, I do agree. Totally 100%.
Now, would UL and the manufacturer be liable if there ever was a fire?
You think they would be liable, yeah. I think they would be liable.
Okay, I'm going to do the twist and loop. Remember how we did that twist and loop on the other end?
Yes. That worked out real good.
Oh, good. The cord's not
Do me a
off.
favor. I was going to say, can you bring the basket closer? But that's okay. Bring it closer, yeah. I want to try not to make a mess. I see what you did last time, and it worked out really good that way. And it soldered really nice. Soldered really nice that way today. Yes. Twist and loop. Yes.
Go like this. But consult an authorized service center before doing.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to hold the block? Okay, now hold it this way. So this way the camera
That's
will
what I'm going
notice.
to do. Yep, I'm going to do it just like that.
Okay, now
The solder's right there. The soldering, is that soldering iron up all the way, or is it?
yes,
Okay.
let's turn it up all the way.
It should be. It is.
Yes. Okay, now use a little lobster. I'm going to put it on
On the other side. This is going to be fun, isn't it? There. Now I'm holding it perfectly still now. And I'll hold it all over so it doesn't get into the deck. Hold it over the table.
Now the manufacturer could be liable too. Okay, can you tip it back this way?
Like that, right?
No, a little bit down like that so there's no knock. Okay,
That's good.
okay, I'm going to just add a little bit more.
That a little bit more. I don't know if it's that solder that's causing it. Usually it flows good, but yeah, it's going good.
Yeah, okay, hold it still.
Hold it still. Let it dry.
Hold the strand right there.
Okay.
Hold the strand there.
Yep. You want to cut it off or something?
No,
Solder in there.
okay. Now just let that cool. Now you are an authorized service technician.
Yes. Yeah, I am. That I am.
Bring it up a little bit and look at the top and bottom.
Okay.
Bottom looks really.
Oh yes.
Well, I'm gonna bring it down. See how it ran up there?
Yes. Yep.
I'm gonna
Bring it down a little bit more.
bring it.
It all clumped up right there. We don't want that.
So I'm gonna
We don't want clumps. That'll be good. Oh.
now It's a little crooked, so I'm going to just... There you go. Now it's all nice and straight.
Wait for it to cool.
You know that little ball?
I got two of them right here. I see them. One
Okay.
and okay. Second one got stuck.
Okay, I'll pick that up later.
Yep. The second one got stuck. So.
Okay, now there it looks like it's a nice solid joint.
Yep, it is. Yep, it is. Okay. So.
Well, that looks a little clumpy there too, so I'm gonna...
It does. Yeah, it does.
I don't really like that, so I'm going to hold it over here and I'm going to...
Yeah. Do it over the table, or over the table, not the deck.
There it is. There,
There
now
it is.
it's nice and perfect.
Good. All right, hold it.
You try to use it. And then look at the bottom. Perfect. Bottom
Perfect.
is perfect.
Oh, nice. Good. Yep.
Top is perfect.
Top is perfect. Now I get the solder ball out of here. I just found it. It's
The
right here.
flat screwdriver would get it better than it.
I got it.
Okay, there it is.
I'll wet my hand. Okay, okay, put it in the ground.
Oh, I'm getting it better.
Put it in the garbage can. Yep. That's it. Okay.
Okay, so...
That turned out really good. Yes, it did.
Okay, so... That one's going to be like this, and we'll bring this one in here, so I'm going to bring it up this way.
Okay, cut it, trim it.
Strip it.
The twist around works really good, and it works better that way anyway. Yeah, catch that. I know. Catch the piece of wire if it doesn't.
Okay. No strands broke.
No strands broke. Okay, good.
That's what you want.
Yes, no strands broken. But push them together because I'll a little separated up. Because you don't want them catching on it. Or fraying it, yeah. Twist and then put it through there and then, nope, no strands, no strands got missed. Put it through and twist it. Okay. Now I'll have to hold it here. Okay.
So, okay, hold it right back like that.
Yep. I'm going to do it there. I'm going to hold it with both hands. Right? I'm stable, more stable that way. Oh!
There's somebody coming in the back door.
Yep. Yep.
Back door man. Back door man.
door
Get the
man.
Back door open and anything will walk in.
Right. Hey, John and Pat came over and they bought a lot of ribs. If you guys want some ribs,
Oh,
Yes. Yes.
got pasta salad and all kinds of stuff. So.
There's enough for David too.
Oh,
hey.
We're taking video, so be
doing a
careful.
video.
okay.
Careful. So if there's enough for David, we'll have them.
Yeah.
And we don't have to go to Nicky Doodles. We can save our money.
Well, we can go to Mickey Doodle's for ice cream.
Yeah, for ice cream, we'll get ice cream
Yeah,
in there.
Warren was credit.
Whack Arnold's.
Whack Arnold. Oh, okay. I don't get the joke.
Yeah, we got lots of food. It's gonna be a little while before it's done. Probably
That's
another
all right.
hour, so.
That's all right.
Okay. Sounds
This
good
is
to
a
me.
very,
We'll
very
be on over.
basic fire safety prevention thing that UL should require.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Well, let's see, that doesn't look like...
It took on the top. It didn't fill in the top. It's all going out the bottom. It's all going out the bottom of it. Hang on, let it sit still. I'm gonna turn it around and heat it up. Yeah, it's all spooled to the bottom. Look at, got a big chunk at the bottom. Let's let me hold it like this then.
Okay, let's hold it like this.
Yep.
I'm gonna just put a little more flux on there so we get a nice even flow.
Okay. Right. Now hold it like this. Okay. Still melting, yeah. Still melting. The flux is hot. I'm gonna. Oh crap! I'll do this, but just don't want my finger underneath it in case something drops. Gonna burn my finger. It didn't adhere to that very well, did it?
No.
I don't know why it didn't. Is that soldering iron getting hot enough or something?
Is it up over there?
Yeah, it's up all the way, so maybe the soldering iron's tired. I don't know. It is old, but. Ooh, ouch. Hit my hand a little bit. It's fine.
No, there's now, it went down on the bottom there.
I know it did, yeah.
So let's turn it over.
Turn it over here, okay. Right, yeah, now it went down at the bottom.
Okay, hold it out.
Oh, yeah, hold it like that.
Good. For some reason, that doesn't look that good.
Are these solder ones?
They may be the push-on ones.
Tell you what, Before we do the next one, I will sand them off.
Okay, let's clip this off and use this other one and sand it. 'Cause I don't like how this came out.
How about the other side? You don't like the other side either?
No, I don't.
Okay.
So,
You want to pause the camera then?
no,
Okay.
that's,
I gotta get the sandpaper.
yeah, get
Let's
this.
get the sandpaper in. We don't like the way that's coming out. It's
No.
terrible. It's terrible, terrible, terrible.
Mm-hmm.
Ouch. Oh. Ooh, ankle. Ankle trouble.
Okay, so let's see this.
I did not. You can strip them wires, and I will
I
sand
think
this
I'll
off.
do the, just tuck it in and tack solder it on both sides.
Okay. No more twisting. It's not working good for some reason.
So let me try sanding in there. Just,
See if that works any better. I don't know. Maybe the push-on ones. The push-on ones do not solder.
Now, what about the one you have in your, oh, that's sanding.
That's no, that's an AGC.
Right.
Want me to grab it?
Yeah, let's just see what the holes look like on it.
Okay. I got 2 of them.
Okay.
Let's see what I got.
Yeah.
Got some bad news, David.
What?
I only got one of these.
Okay.
The other one I must have lost. But those are solder ones.
Okay, it's the same as this one. Okay, I sanded this other one, so.
Okay. This one too?
Yeah. So I twisted the wires.
Okay. Dip them in there. Instead of doing the wraparound, you're just
I'm
gonna
gonna
do
try the tack solder on
the
both
bend,
sides.
the bend over and then tack. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, a little bit of technical difficulty, but that's all right.
Okay, so where did this? Okay.
We've got a little bit of technical difficulty here, but that'll be okay though. That's okay, right though, David?
Yeah.
That's fine. Nothing's perfect. Nothing goes perfect all the time.
Okay. Oh, this was soldered already.
It was okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the one I bought. Yeah, one was already soldered already, so you should be able to.
Okay, so I'm gonna use my bigger pliers and
Where are they?
they are
Oh,
like
it's toolbox. Okay.
So I'm gonna come in like this. Now this was soldered before, so it's tinned.
Yes. Yep. That came off that vacuum I was telling you about. One vacuum had a fuse in it. They don't all vacuums have fuses in them, but that one does. Okay.
Okay, so I got a nice shape there.
That
So if you
should-
hold
Yeah.
it like this and like that.
Okay, like this, and like this from underneath,
Yes.
like that.
Yep. I'm gonna put the flux on. Now I use the pliers there to shape the wire so it gives a.
Good shape or whatever of it.
Okay, so now I want to make sure you keep this straight.
Yep.
And then get the soldering iron out here.
Grab it, there we go. Okay. Like that, keep it straight. Yep. I want it to point at the camera too, is what I'm doing.
Okay.
Like that,
Yep.
pretty much.
So I'm going to tune the iron a little bit. Under.
That one was already soldered, so that should do good. Should do good anyway.
Oops, yeah, I think.
The one underneath.
Okay, where's my. I think you moved it some and it.
I did. Oh, your pliers are underneath my hand here.
Okay.
Right there,
I'm going
yeah.
to reshape that again.
Reshape it. Yeah, I must have moved it a little tiny bit.
Okay.
Maybe I shouldn't hold that. Maybe I should just hold.
Now you got to hold that wire up.
Okay.
There, okay.
They're giving us so much trouble.
There
doing
it
it.
is.
Okay, there it is. Why they? Oh crap! Don't move it. Why they're giving us so much trouble before? Never had this much trouble before.
Oh no, look how bulked up it is on the bottom.
Oh man.
So we better pull it off and loop it. But that is taking so long.
Yeah. I don't understand why we're having so much trouble with these. It's the quality of the fuse blocks, I guess. Oh crap! I did that. Knocked the solder off it.
Right. Okay, so let's.
Yeah. Let me get these balls of solder out of here
Okay.
so they don't short anything out.
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Then you can
Yep. Yep. Can around it. We don't need them causing any problems, any shorts or nothing. Okay. Why are we having so much trouble with them damn things? What is going on? Is it the blocks, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Or is it the solder? Here, you want to try your solder on it?
Yeah, we'll try my.
Try your solder on it. Yeah. Maybe it's the solder. Yeah, this roll of solder is 1,000 years old.
It is old?
Yeah, it's like 100 years old. Yeah, literally.
Not 100 years old.
Well, probably 50. 50 years old, so it's old. Your solder's a lot newer.
Oh, so
Is yours regular solder or is yours pipe solder?
it's regular.
Regular solder. Okay, we'll try it. See what happens. I've never had that much trouble before in my life.
No, see how that's
See?
going
Yep.
down? So you gotta check for that.
Check for that. Yep. Let's see. Try the other side, or try the other end. Turn this block over and see. Oh, you
Yeah.
got it. Got it. This time we're going to do a loop around this time. Okay. You want to loop the other side too?
Yeah, I'm gonna do one side at a time. I'm gonna do the thicker wire first. Okay, there. Now I'll try.
Use your solder on it. Use your solder on
Use
it.
my solder this time.
Yeah, see what happens. It sounds like it's the same. But I'm going to hold the wire too or not? No,
Yeah,
just
no,
just
just
the
the
top.
top.
Okay. And I'll hold it down like this.
That solder there is older, I think. It looks like it's probably 20, 30 years old.
It might be, yeah. I've had it forever, so that could be the problem. It could be the solder. Like I said, that might work a lot better. Or it could be the blocks. Who knows? It could be the blocks. The blocks could be no
Now,
good.
hold it more up.
Oh.
Straight. No, like this. More like that.
Oh, like that. Okay. Right. Okay.
So that way the wire stays nice and straight.
Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Maybe it is the iron then. There's something wrong with the iron there.
There we go. That looks all.
Oh, okay. We got it. Leave it now. See what we got. Yeah,
Is that
I'm gonna let it
cool?
dry. Yep. That looks like maybe it. I'll see.
Got that cool. So we did a loop around on that. Now I'm gonna have to strip this, cut this off. So I'm gonna do a loop around and twist. Let that cool. And then just strip it out.
We got a lot of.
Oh, I broke a strand off, so I'm going to put that
Don't
off.
cut off too much. You won't have enough. You won't have enough if you clip off too much of it. This is the trouble tape deck. This is the one that's giving us all kinds of trouble. Okay, this is dry now. Oh yeah.
That looks a lot better.
Oh, much better. Yes, it does. Looks much better than that.
Okay,
Those
so
are good.
this is going to go in this, I'm going to put it on the inside here. It's going to go under this orange wire, so I'm going to do that okay.
Well, that works. That looks much better. So you see, it was the solder then. The solder's old, is it? Yeah. Well, that solder's for circuit boards though too. Oh, all are for circuit board. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, beautiful.
I'm going to get a real nice twist.
Just twisty knot or twisty in there.
And the twist will help keep the wire nice and straight too.
Yes, it will. Since I can't hold anything still, my freaking lip shake like crazy.
Okay, so holding it, we're going to hold it like, probably holding it like that.
Like this. Okay. Like this. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to drop some here again.
Heat that baby up good. There we go. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle.
That cool?
Whoa. I can't move that muscle spasm. Oh, on my arm here. Is it dry now? Should be. See what the other side.
Beautiful.
Oh, look at that. Let me see the other side. Let me see the. Oh, that looks good. Oh, yes. Finally, it took the right solder to get it.
Yes, we used some of the wrong.
Old solder, really old solder.
Okay, so we're going to just clean these joints off.
Oh, do you want the alcohol?
Yeah, it's used some alcohol to finish it off.
You left your alcohol here.
Yeah.
Remember, I'll go get it. It's over here.
Why don't you take your shoes off and put your comfortable shoes on?
No, because I'm gonna be going out.
Oh.
Taking David home, so I'm gonna leave my shoes on.
Oh.
Just that this time of year, my ankle bothers me. Yeah. Do you need any? Well, do you have any Q-tips? Do you need any Q-tips? Or?
No, I see it. I'm just going to screw a little scraping here. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better, doesn't it?
Oh, it looks much better. Much better. Yes. Pardon me for yawning. It's been a long day. Yawning? Oh yeah, yawning like crazy. Beautiful.
I think this is a very basic thing that UL should require.
Should require, yeah, definitely. Should definitely require it. I think,
Now, do you think the manufacturer and UL could be liable if there was a fire and it could be proven that was because the stereo didn't have a
yeah,
fuse in it?
it could be, yeah. If it was proof of it, yeah. Definitely.
And we have proof of it, there's no fuse in it.
There's no fuse in it, obviously, yeah. Yes, it flicks on here, I think, too, down there, or something.
Yeah,
I don't know what that is down there. It's about one down there, there we go. Okay, good.
Okay, now we're ready to put our...
Did you have to drill that hole?
No, that hole
That
was...
hole was already there,
Damn.
okay.
So you think UL and manufacturers
Should require
could be held liable if there was a problem?
Yes.
But always consult an authorized service center before
Yes.
doing it.
Let me know and I'll start tightening it.
Okay. Gotta get straight, nice and straight, because it's gotta look factory, right?
Yep.
Whoops, you know what? This has a little nub on the bottom of it. Remember those little nubs we had to cut off?
Oh, yes. Oh, we forgot to cut off that nub?
Yes. Do you have a pair of flush? These aren't the flush cutters though.
No, they'll work, I said. Yes. I thought I would cut that nub off. I did, but it's not. It's not flush though. It's not flush.
Do you have a sharp knife?
Nope. Get the sandpaper. Where's the sandpaper? Get that. There you go. Let's use the sandpaper to sand it off. Yeah, this one had a nub on it too. Yep. That one did too.
Yeah, I cut that one. Okay, check it. Make sure you think that's flush enough.
Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. 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 We got a nice surprise later for dinner. We get ribs. Yes. Ribs, yummy. Oh, give me the top for the alcohol so I don't spill it all
Okay.
over the place. So I don't spill it all over the place.
Okay, let's see the nut flavor.
Yep.
Okay,
Torque that baby on there. There we are. Okay. Now, is that going to stick down below the foot, or we got to cut it off? I want you to scratch the
It's
table.
staying above the foot.
Okay, this is okay. I don't want to scratch the table, that's all. Or scratch anything.
Okay, so. We got some solder balls here, so I'm going to
Oh,
take
yeah.
Because I'm going to tip this upside down and tap all the solder.
Okay. All right. And then tap it. Bang, bang, bang. Get any solder balls out of it.
And then I'm going to wash my hands. Okay. And I'll do my zip ties and get everything all back in place here.
Zip tie it up.
Yep, I'm going to put the zip ties in and tie it all up. Now that other thing there, I can we can clip those wires off of it and reuse that block again.
Yes, yeah. But clean it up though, better.
Yeah.
Clean it up a little bit better.
Okay, so we gotta get into this hole here. So this is something that the should have.
Yes, should have required. Should have required, yes. She knows. Yeah, that way it's inside the hole, yeah. Inside the top will go on. Because there were zip ties on there before. Really clear.
Now what I did here would meet UL certification.
Oh yeah, definitely. Even though you said you did call him one time and they said don't do it. Right?
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Really tight, you just tighten them snug.
Right.
That way you won't damage the wire when you tighten them.
I want to make sure all the wires are on the inside here.
Careful, don't hurt yourself.
Okay, so let's see the tires. Make sure there's no solder ball in there.
Nope, there wasn't anything in there, it was good. Okay.
You want to put the, I want to show people.
Oh yeah, show me. Before I put the fuse in it.
Well, put the fuse in.
Put the fuse in. Did you want to tie wrap this wire around here? The
And
white one? just to make it neater, or do you want to leave it like that?
I'll put one right here, and I'll use one of these little red tie wraps.
Yes. Put one right here to make it look, look good.
And I'll bring the camera down, and I'll have you'll hold the house fuse up like right here now.
Okay, yeah. Cutters, cut that, and bingo. Yep. Okay.
Now, while it's taking time to burn a house fuse, it could be heating up the cord and short it out and
And
start a
shorten out
fire.
the cord, yeah, exactly, yep.
That could start a fire in the house.
Yes.
Okay, so we got that all together, and you want to hold the fuse right here? Just hold the fuse like this right here.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
And I'll bring the camera
I got it,
down.
yep, I got it.
Okay, now tell people about the filament and how the...
The size of the house filament, see how much bigger it is compared to the one in the fuse that we put in. It's a much smaller diameter, so if something happens, it'll blow the one that fuse instead of heating up the wire and melting the wire before the house fuse blows. The filament in the house fuse goes.
Because if nothing else is on in the house, it'll have to draw the full 20 amps to blow that fuse. And while it's drawing that higher amperage, it can be melting the cord and it can short out and start a fire in the house.